Here's a tip for you if you got a case going on, and this is whether it's a personal injury case or a criminal case. Have your lawyer go out to the scene with you, ideally. And here's the reason. There are certain things that I've experienced when I've gone out to the scene, whether it's to a client's home where there was a search warrant done, even if it was months ago, okay? Whether it's an accident scene or a crash scene, whether it is where an alleged assault happened, let's say it's out front of a bar or inside a bar or whatever like that, you name it. There are situations where a lawyer will sense things in walking through where you were and what you were doing and what the room is like, what the lighting's like, what the atmosphere is like, what the air is like, you name it, right? There's a lot of things and thoughts that occur to a lawyer, and a better understanding of what you were experiencing or what other people were experiencing if the lawyer takes the time to go out to the scene. So you might want to mention that to your lawyer and look for a lawyer who's willing to go out to the scene and spend some time there with you and going through it, because I'll tell you, it's not the same as getting a satellite photo off the internet, right? Or even a street view sort of situation that we can all scroll on now on our phones or on our computers, right? It's just not the same. It's not the same as looking at photos that the police send when they get evidence in the case, which is called discovery, and you get all those photos, or even the body cams that the police were wearing when they're walking through it. You get some things there. You do. You learn some things there, and they're helpful for a case. It's still not the same as going out to the scene in many of the situations. So you might want to have a lawyer that's willing to do those things and go that extra mile for you. There are things that we think of, see, understand. And what does it help us do later on? Well, number one, it helps us understand your side of the story. I will sit right where a client was sitting. I'll hop onto that couch and sit the way they were sitting, whatever it is. That helps me understand what you were going through, what you were experiencing, what you were seeing and hearing and so forth, in ways that I can't if I just have you telling me about it, okay? Number two, it also helps me see and understand what other people that were there were hearing or not hearing or seeing or not seeing, okay, or experiencing or not experiencing, whether something was even possible the way it's described or not, or how likely it was. What else could have distracted them from it, or what else would they have noticed if they were there and the like. So that really helps a lawyer in just building the case and understanding your perspective and calling into doubt or not someone else's side of the story. And then finally, let's say your case goes to trial. I can tell you that it really helps me in cross-examining witnesses if I've been out there myself and I have a better understanding of the area, as well as helping my client and our witnesses further our story to the jury, our true and authentic story, because I have a deeper understanding of it because I was there. And there's just some things and experiences that no matter what kind of words people use or how they shape things with their hands, sometimes it's not the same as being there. Oftentimes it's not. And so I tell you that it's worthwhile having a lawyer that's willing to go out to the scene if that's going to help your case. I hope that helps you today. Be well. If you need to get a hold of me, you can find me at arrestedmn.com, or you can call me at 612-339-5844. My name is Ryan Pacyga.